Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, you probably haven't heard that we bought a second home in Florida.
This attic storage area is where we're going to start our journey. Going through everything up here.
A small 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in a gated community in sunny Florida. And it will be our vacation/retirement home. So today, I'm starting the monumental task of downsizing from this 3,000 square foot home that we currently live in to our 1,500 square foot home in Florida. So I invite you to join me on this moving series as I declutter, organize, pack, move us to Florida, unpack, and decorate the new house. Honey, this is gonna be the ultimate adventure. As I go room by room in this house, I have a system. I organize everything that I go through either into a keep pile, yard sale donate pile, or trash, things that should have gone before. So in my keep pile, there are things that I'm gonna keep here at the house in Pennsylvania, things I'm gonna move to Florida, and then things I'm gonna to my long-term storage in my brownstone in Brooklyn. And then my yard sale, anything that doesn't sell in the yard sale will be donated to Goodwill or Salvation Army. And trash is trash. So let me show you where I am. So starting off right here, everything is donation except for the green bin. Also is going to go into donation that red luggage. Here, going to Florida, I have the one bin of purple decor. I have a couple of pair of boots right here that I'm going to keep in Florida. This is the luggage that we're keeping, and then those prints and turquoise decor are for a friend. One big bag of garbage, and the rest of the room is clear. So let's move on. honestly, I don't think either one of us have worn anything out of these closets in forever. So I'm going to go through both of these closets, remove everything, and get rid of what we don't use. Okay, I just have one or two things to go downstairs still. This is what we're taking to Florida. Not much. And the TV. And we have the bedding here. The rest of the room is clear. And over here I just have some pillows. And on this couch, curtains are down. Everything, closets are clear, curtains are down. And yeah, I'm in a good place. So, one room down. Now let's move on to room number 2. The next room I'm gonna be conquering is my office. And here you see it in its present state. I started bagging up some of the linen, but other than that, I have a long way to go. So let's get started. Okay, so you see the room. This is the next room I'm packing up. This is my office, but also a little. So let's get to it. closet is cleaned. Now let's move on to disassembling the desk and shelving unit. Let me give you a little tip. Keep all of your screws, suction cups, clips for attaching your shelving, everything together in one bag with your Allen key. So that way when you reach your destination, everything will be that much easier to find and reassemble. Just a quick update on where I'm at. This is what is going to Florida. This is the desk, the shelving unit, and my 2 storage units from the closet, and then the linen that I had stored in this closet. I did go through everything. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just couldn't show you everything. It's just ridiculous amount of stuff that I have. But anyway, let me step back so you can see. This is what is going to Florida from this room. Not too bad. I just have a few more decor pieces. I didn't have the bubble wrap up here to wrap those pieces, so that has to all be packed up, except for the books. I'll probably leave that here. This storage unit is clear for the most part, and that and the printer and my Cricut are going to Florida. And this is what is going to stay in this room. I have this one little chair. Underneath the chair, I have a queen size air mattress and the pump, and also this shelving unit in the corner. Like I said, I'm going to clear the decor, but the shelving unit is going to stay because this will still serve. This bin is for donate. I had some outdoor stuff, sprays, and a life jacket for the kids. This I'm gonna give to a friend, a very nice wicker pail. Nothing in the closet here except for my comforters that I'm gonna keep here. I still have to go through this file cabinet here in the corner. Yes, I'm bearing all my shame, honey, because this is everything that I pulled out of that closet in the guest room office. And you see all of this. And this is what I'm going to keep here. It still could be a little bit more organized, but that is everything I'm going to keep. Towels, washcloths, there's some medicines, and up there I have a bunch of throw blankets, and I usually keep a bunch of toiletries here on the door, and that is it. That's all I'm keeping.
So let me clear this mess in the hallway, and I think I'll be finished for the day.
If you enjoyed today's packing, organizing, and decluttering video, make sure you give your girl a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. In the next shot, you'll see this hallway all cleaned and everything organized. It may not be Pinterest worthy, but honey, it's clean, organized, and I'm ready to move on to the next area. Thank you again for watching, and I hope it gave you inspiration. Join me next time as we continue in the moving journey to Florida. Thanks for watching.